Good morning, year one, and welcome to our second day on time. So, just like yesterday, we're going to be doing some time sequencing, but first, we are going to be having a go at revising some money work again from last week. So, you're going to need whiteboards and whiteboard pens, pens and paper, and when you're ready, we'll get started. Okay, so today you're going to try to guess what coin is under each of these shapes. So, tell your grown up first. What coin is underneath the star, the yellow star? Brilliant, that's right, it's the 10p. What's under our pink heart? That's right, it's the 5p. What's under the green semicircle? That's right, it's the pound. What's under the turquoise triangle? Brilliant, the 20p. What's under the purple oblong? Excellent, £2. What's under the turquoise circle? Brilliant, a 2p. What's under the orange triangle, orange right angle triangle? That's right, it's the penny. And so what's left under the green square? At 50p. Excellent work. Just like yesterday, I want you to have a go now at finding the value of these coins. So pause the video until you're ready for us to go through it. Welcome back. How'd you do with that? So the first set is 5p plus 1p, so that's 6p. The next one is 1, 2, 3, 4p. Next one is 2p plus 1p, which is 3p. And the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4p again. Right, now there is one coin we can use for the next one, because this is 2, 4, 5p. So we could have just used one of those silver 5p's. And this is 10p plus 5p, 15p. Can you remember what this is? That's right, that's a 20p. Then this is 10p plus 2p, which is 12p. And the last one is 10p plus 2p plus 1p, so that's 13p. I bet you did brilliant on those. Okay, so your second starter activity today is just the same as yesterday. However, today I want you to sort these activities into what we normally do in the morning and what we normally do in the afternoon. Okay? And grown-ups, if you just want to write, scribe for your child the events, that's absolutely fine. And see if they can remember which order we do things in. Okay? So when you're ready, we'll do a quick revision of what we tend to do to start the day. Okay? So welcome back. Usually, we start the day with phonics play. This is then followed by maths, what we're doing now. Then that's followed by morning break. After break, we do English. And because we've got a short morning at the moment, after that we have lunch. Okay, so in the afternoon, we start one session with handwriting. Then usually we have science. Then before we go out to play, we have phonics. Then when we come back in after afternoon break, we'll probably use Doodle Maths for a bit. We'll do some PE, and then we'll do a class novel. Now, the afternoon is quite fluid, so if you haven't quite got the same order with there, that's fine. And sometimes we do phonics play. Instead of phonics play, we start with Doodle Maths. So that's up to your child. But generally speaking, that shows the sequence of things we do in the morning and in the afternoon. Okay, so the main task for today is going to be comparing some events. Now we've got lots of different activities we're going to be trying to do, and there's a sheet of them here. I'll just show you. And that's where we'll be finishing. But what you need to do is have a go now at writing your name and then clapping the hands 10 times. And you need to use some kind of timer on a phone or an iPad. We'll be using iPads in school to see how long each one takes. And then we're going to look at which one is quicker, writing my name or clapping hands 10 times. So when you're ready, start the video again. So for me, writing Mr. Richards takes 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. Clapping my hands takes a bit longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for me, it is marginally quicker to clap my hands. So sorry, write my name than clap my hands. For you, it may be the other way around. It's up to you. Then hopping on a leg 5 times or standing up and sitting down 5 times. You can decide which one takes longer. I personally, because I'm quite old, would find hopping 5 times is going to take me longer, is slower than standing up and sitting down 5 times. So we can use that language, or we can use a full sentence if we would rather. It's up to you. We could instead have writing my name is quicker than clapping my hands 10 times. Or we could have hopping on 5 times on my leg is slower than standing up 5 times. It's up to you. You could just, if you wanted to, cut out one thing and say that is quicker. So writing my name is quicker than, and clapping my hands is slower. It's completely up to you how you organise this. But these are the words and these are the activities I want you to have a go at. And I want you to have a go at doing all of these activities, okay? And that is the end of today's lesson.